is not worried about anything. She's just taking the time out to just, breeze out. She said there's a lot of people who go to their family members' house, and yes, they do make it. They do make it out of there and go ahead and make it on their own. So just go and listen to what she has to say today. And
Okay,
remember,
business
guys,
so
to like,
much.
share, comment, and subscribe to the
But
channel.
don't
And
even look like it.
she is not worried about anything. She's just taking the time out to just, breeze out. She said there's a lot of people who go to their family members' house,
Come on,
and
business
yes,
so
they do
much.
make it. They do
And
make
so
it out
much
of there
away.
and go ahead and make it on their own. So just go and listen to what she has to say today. And remember, guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as you know, and as I always say, have yourselves
When you
lovelies a
think of
wonderful
different
day.
food. Nobody can fool me. Me know say me talk to a person, me talk to a man, and me not even me not even commit myself to nobody. And me can tell her say, from him wake up a morning time and I go work. From him start go work from 6:30, 7 o'clock, me I get phone call. Me tell him this morning, say, listen, me nobody call me so early. Me know you feel away. Me say nobody call me so early because you disturb me. Even though me wake up, me don't want nobody call me so early. Because me set my phone with an alarm and the alarm a ring like a southern bell. And me say nobody call me because one thing with me wake up early morning time, but me don't like nobody call me early. Even though me not asleep, me just don't want nobody call me. Me get very upset even though me not asleep. So if people know me, do not call me early morning time. I wake up like 5 o'clock, but don't call me. Me not want to take the phone call until all them 8, 9, 10. Me just want to have time for myself to browse and do all kind of things. And for the whole day, every hour or every time I get a break, me see a text message come and check up on me. No for them girl, I don't even have that so check up on them. So don't follow them. Whether pretend or pretend not. Some of them wish they would have somebody who would just call them and say, how are you doing, babe? How is your morning going? Don't even talk about it, no, so me catch have a cold and me not feeling well. Me say every chance in get me if I said, you have a phone for you. Every minute I get a text message. Every minute me get a text message. Them not have none. Now follow them. Nobody, no, none of who know with on social media. I want in our relationship and love to fast na people business and call so uno are not happy. The whole of uno I go through financial situation. The whole of uno going through financial situation. You know how much people right now would I love to know that them sister yard or them cousin yard or somewhere. And them can able to go on their own and get something and try to battle it out until when them find what they need to find. Me no know, I don't understand. Let me put it like this. Me don't understand why is it that they are worrying about me when my money put on and set to get my place. And that is what I am that is the philosophy when these people attack. I don't get it. Me have paperwork to get my place. Me have me something my money hard I put on to get my place. So what is it the problem? What is the problem now? Why are you so obsessed with Marcia life? Because I don't like some have money to get my place. That is the problem. So I don't like say I don't have the money to get my place. Me have the money to get my place. So me not understand, you know. So what is the problem of you going around the whole of YouTube and Facebook? Me all hear somebody come and call me workless grandmother. Are you crazy? Are you fucking crazy, bitch? Are you crazy? What about me is worthless? Eh? Me now walk around and sell pussy. Me I sell my little shit and doing my thing. Me not there with your man. Me not there with your husband. Me not there with your papa. Me sure not push me under your ass. Me I pay me taxes. I live in this country for all my life and working from me at 17, 18 years old. And I pay Uncle Sam taxes. Even my business January come. I have to have all documentations from Cash App, from my business account, all receipts, and I have to send it in. Me have to do inventory, how much me spend, how much deduct from there, how much inventory me have left. And me have to put it together. And Uncle Sam take what they want to take and give me what they want to give me. And you come now, uno dep on social media, me no know uno take uno bumbo clat and come over my pussy clat page. Me no know uno have whole heap of blogging page to come pan. And uno take uno dirty blood clot come pan people page and call people work this and stagnant. Eh? And uno now put one ras clot be clean on my mouth for them. And uno call people stagnant and someone look like a blood clot followers. Eh? Uno can't even buy a good piece of hole. Not even, uno can't even buy a good piece of blood clot, $20 clothes to put on. And the bumbo clot clothes me judging every day. I hit someone when we got a blood clot party. Eh? The clothes me judging on a daily basis. I eat no dress up in. So who uno talking to? Eh? If me did blood clot stagnant, would I be in one of the best chain hotel in America and worldwide? No. Coming in here free. Me want to know if I was stagnant, would I be? And even if me get one discount or discount, that money still have a blood clot pay. If I was stagnant and me do that, would I be on my own? Wouldn't I be catching somewhere my sister them right now or my cousin? Eh? You tell me. You know how much people are calling me? Do you know how much supporters calling me? Marcia, I have a 3-bedroom. You can't come take one. Marcia, I would have never do it. Would I rather go shelter? And blood clot shelter would have never happen. Because my sister them have place. And them now refuse me because me the last one. So me want to know who the fuck you think you're talking to. When fuhuno pot a boil over. Someone wanna go in and wanna piece of old blood clot zinc house right now with leak. A piece spot to not have a little chimney. I catch water up in the tap. Eh? Me want to know wrong. Eh? You know how much people right now would have loved the opportunity right now in them family house now. I would love to even I could afford a week and tell lie and say, you know what? Me I got one friend house. Uh-huh. Me I go if your friend house to come back. Just for so they can have a little privacy. Eh? And then can't do it. You have to check on yourself. Because God know. You is a bunch of liars pan ya. Because me tell no something. Me say people call me from all over from Jamaica and America ya. And tell me some things when know some of you. We go to school with some of you. Know some of you. And call me and tell me some of you business. Some of them big blogger ya. I said, Marcia, no, Marcia, no listen to them. All one way bother you. In her house, crying like she not have nothing. She look like a crackhead. No listen to them. Me can't go no further. Because I probably know who sell me. He said, no, nah, go on fear. And so and so and so and so and so. People from Jamaica call me and say, this is somebody, but you not listen to them. And money them I look from you. If them not talk about you, nothing now go on for them to get one little paycheck. And since them start talk about you, people are recognize them. And since you start talk about you, them can't have this and can't have that. And when people call me and show me the method where I go on. That's why I know so someone I say, Marcia, why you don't strike them? Striking them is not the deal. Striking them is not it. But want to get them where them can't call none me name at all, pictures or nothing. Striking them an easy way out. Striking an easy way out. You have to get them. You have to get them where them can't talk about you. Them can't any name them have to call them have to speak in a code. Striking them is they're gonna come back. Me can't strike a whole heap of them right now. Me can't go in a YouTube striking part because I remember me sign up with it, who I use my contents. Over 15 of them have 100% of my contents. But them channel is like 1,600, 2,000 odd. And me know say some of the bloggers them where where I hide them channel I build up. So if me stick off it now in a one line, it line up in a one box. So if me stick up now and me go in and it and just stick off the box. YouTube track you all of them. I wanna see how people come out to a Disney program. Because you see what caused this type of business on social media too? Jealousy and bad mind. Jealousy and bad mind cause this thing. Because you have people come out here and try if they try to be big on social media and tell lie. And once them come out and once you and somebody a friend, them feel like say them know your dark secret. Me not have the dark secret. Me have couple friend of mine right now me consider as friend. Cause if me not call them friend, them go tell me say them probably whatever because me and them talk every day. We not them not have no incriminating evidence for me. But me not have no dark secret cause 99% a regular Facebook and regular life. So them can't walk until say Marcia I sell pussy or Marcia thief this and Marcia thief that. Regular conversation. Even the mere fact now, I don't trust nobody. I don't even tell none of my friends when me there. Because me no want to go back and say, when me hear something on Facebook, me want to make sure so where source I come from. Because a lawsuit, me say. So because of that, two people know where me live. And yes, me live for the temporary time. And it's my baby father and my sister, Pennsylvania. No friend, know where I am. You understand? I mean, also the man, the guy me I talk to, me not even account him, because him, the way mag. And not can buy nothing. Because the way he mad, it's only one breeze to come to blow him away. The way he mad. Mm-hmm. Or him upset up the way they treat me on social media. You understand? So I make sure I not tell about nothing. I don't tell about my location. I might have mentioned a branch, but me not tell nobody my location. And I make sure I repeat it already. I make sure I give the branch strict order. 2 people can call me here and ask for me. My baby father and my sister from Pennsylvania. Anybody else, I'm not here. Just in case of emergency. I make sure I warn them and tell them what is going on. And tell them I'm a public figure on social media. And any Jamaicans made service in here and care up my business, I am suing them. They turn to me and say we have a privacy law and they wouldn't do nothing like that. So I hope so. So I hope any Jamaican in here and buck me up. You make sure so you can lose your work. Call me a sue. I have to tell you. Until I left here. So you see something, you shut your mouth. If you know me, don't you better call to me. If you see me. But Jamaica they everywhere, eh? Yes. Jamaica they everywhere, no matter how far you go. You see what Jamaica? Jamaica, what way they enough like a rice grain. Yes. Jamaica them enough like a rice grain, you know. Cause me never know say about up on Jamaican. She not see me. I hear her mouth. And me tell you something. If you have let me tell you something, if you want your room, if you have a room to clean and you stay at somewhere, I have any personal item, beddings or anything on your bed, them not touch it. They're not allowed to touch any personal items for you. And you have to tell them. But so just to make sure. So anytime you want any changes to be done, You make sure so you take up, you remove all your items and put them aside. But once you have any form of sheet or anything for the bed, them not touch it. They're not gonna touch it. Uh-huh. Me no say me no know how to lie, but me no need to lie in a facts of life. Me I give people them inspiration how to live, how to liberate themselves and free themselves from mental slavery. And do them thing and make themselves happy. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to liberate freedom and let teach them and tell them say it no matter how much money you have or whatever you have. Once if you not spend it right and enjoy it, it no make no sense you have it. It no make no sense you live in one big house and you're so unhappy in there. Lot of them they are so unhappy in there. You see them are going away? Then come on social media and then boast about house. And you don't even see one little picture. And then boast about money. And some of them and some of them all them know is to buy Burger King and KFC chicken. They would even step in a one Chinese restaurant up at Red Hills Road or Kingston or Ochi and go spending money. People have money for you. You can't just sit down and money in no life. You walk you don't know when sickness are come and you can't have a penny. Then somebody else will spend. No, you have to live. Next year, we're going on a cruise. We're going on Virgin. Virgin cruise is nice. Yeah, I want to go on Virgin. Me hear some of them a talk about how me can't go back, me not go back to Jamaica because me broke. Then what could have stopped me from going to Jamaica? The only reason I'm not going to Jamaica this year because me never ship down nothing. You know, it says me go to Jamaica, I may have so much thing to ship down. When time, so I mean, I'm not interested. I told her from long time. From the party burn me up in my breast. And me see how no treat me on Facebook. And I talk about this and that. I turn off from Jamaica. From me see how me go Jamaica almost 30 years straight. I do charity. From in my 20 I give back to my community.